Hey there, welcome back Natural Hub. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's been buzzing around for quite some time, the hidden benefits of lemon water. You might have heard about it before, but trust me, there's more to it than just a refreshing drink. Let's uncover the truth behind this simple yet powerful concoction. First off, let's talk about the simplest recipe in the book. Lemon water. All you need is a glass of water and some fresh lemon juice. Squeeze in about half a lemon into your water and voila. You've got yourself a glass of lemon water. Boosts hydration. Lemon water is a fantastic way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Not only does it add a refreshing twist to plain water, but the hint of citrus also encourages you to drink more, helping you reach your daily hydration goals effortlessly. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining overall health, supporting bodily functions, and keeping your energy levels up. Rich source of vitamin C. Did you know that lemons are packed with vitamin C? Just one lemon can provide a significant portion of your daily recommended intake. Vitamin C is essential for boosting your immune system, promoting healthy skin, and even aiding in digestion. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall well-being. Supports digestion. Speaking of digestion, lemon water can work wonders for your digestive system. The acidity of lemon juice can help stimulate the production of stomach acid, which aids in the digestion process. It can also help relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Additionally, lemon water acts as a gentle diuretic, promoting regular bowel movements and flushing out toxins from your digestive tract, keeping your gut healthy and happy. Helps detoxify the body. Many people swear by the detoxifying properties of lemon water. While it's not a magic potion that will cleanse your body overnight, lemon water can help support your body's natural detoxification processes. The citric acid in lemons may help stimulate liver function, promoting the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of fats and the elimination of toxins from your body. By staying hydrated with lemon water, you're helping your body flush out waste and impurities, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Promotes clear skin. If you're struggling with acne or dull skin, adding lemon water to your daily routine might help. The vitamin C in lemons is known for its skin brightening properties, while the antioxidants can help combat free radical damage, leaving you with a healthy, glowing complexion. Additionally, staying hydrated with lemon water helps keep your skin moisturized and supple, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's like a natural beauty elixir that works from the inside out. So there you have it, the hidden benefits of lemon water. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, support detoxification, or enhance your skin health, a glass of lemon water might be just what you need. Cheers to your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, take care.